DJ 100.
Ta. These niggas swear that I'm backwards, I'm they shooting at actors, black accurates, pulling out bags that's worth a couple stacks. Just the life of the hustle, spin it to make it back and flossing for these bitches who fade away by my second track. Trapped in a mind state for those who never left the block. Visions of horizons over time like I'm on top of watches. I'm so on top of my game, it's me against the clock. I wonder if I'll blow before I die. I'm left out, no left eye. Tender love and care just for these Benjamins. Independent endeavors, I pray I get no sentencing. Prosper off these sentences. That's what you thinking, right? Sick hallucinations of a nigga who ain't living right. I see him, my women in denim, both European, worth nothing to a nigga who never seen them. 400 degrees, I'm burning up, but it's the winter. By July, I'll cop that shit to make you think December is so fucking cold. It canary, but my wrist rose gold. Skinny nigga have your main bitch froze. So the camera did a Kanye pose. I just grind and make realities out of all my dreams and turn that shit into my salary. You mad at me? Smile and touch you to call all them bitches over. Couple blunts, a couple drinks, it got me far from sober. Try to watch my words, but the liquor's taking over. It's taking over.
Tough skin, that pork grind, surrounded by sin, developing a pitchfork mind, never get up off me. Your kind ain't that welcome inside this baller circle. Pull up with hammers and bandanas like Ninja Turtles. I'm rolling purple while running circles around these stupid ass niggas. I ground grease, I'm round cheese. Trying to stack it, break down trees and package and sell them to make a profit and flip it and make it back. And I'm fiending for a chance to get a chance at this rapping. Mama, believe your baby boy can make it happen. I'm flattered by all the lies they spread. I'm kinda happy that I'm still in their head. The shit kinda got me laughing. I got better shit to worry about. Word of mouth, suck a dick. Juju Osborne, I be rocking shit. Better get a clue, you so lost. Hugo True Religion, I'm so boss. Shawty, take my coat off, I'm hot. Take a picture and pose, throw up the block. And once you get in, you can't get out. It's the mafia. Don't be sorry, be careful, them people watching you. Make sure you can trust who in the passenger. Cause those who say they got you back won't really acknowledge you. And be the first to clap when that verdict come swallow you. I had a dream I caught 30 years, I was out of here. And woke up in the morning and told myself I'm so proud of you. I'm used to getting love from the people that don't mean shit. And backstabbed by the people who I'm seen with. So what do? Huh? 11, 9, 11, nigga. 11, 9, 11, nigga.
What more do y'all want? This Juju, Ty Jones, this Red Therapy. Our good fella in here. We out.